Hey, what's up guys? This is a repair of a Tesla Model 3 rail. So it's a bodyline shot, and actually it was caused by a skateboard that fell off some really high storage. It was a little bit scary because it actually hit the bodyline really hard up on the rail and affected the edge by the glass too. So one really cool thing is after I did the repair, actually I thought there was structural foam behind there because the metal was moving really weird, and it took a really long time to do this repair to get this to move with glue. And I reached out to another a pretty popular Instagrammer. His name is luxury car repair. That's it. I'll put that down here. But he sent me a picture of what it looks like with the quarter panel removed on a quarter panel change, and I thought that was really cool of him to do that. And no structural foam. Go figure, eh?